What up guys, welcome to Chef Vic, and today I'm going to show you guys a delicious smash burger, but not just any smash burger. It's going to be chorizo smash burger with avocado and some crema and all that good stuff. So stay tuned guys, it's going to be a delicious burger to enjoy. Alright my friends, so we're going to start off this smash burger. Very famous actually. So what we're going to do is get 1 pound of ground beef. I'm using about, 85% lean to 15% fat. The reason why I don't want too high a fat percentage of the beef, because the chorizo has the fat content we're going to add to it. So open this package up. You can use any kind of ground beef you want. You can use brisket, sirloin and all that. And by the way, also too, I do have a meat grinder, so if you guys want me to show you guys how to ground your own fresh ground beef, please leave in the comments below and I'll be happy to show you guys. So get your ground beef into the beautiful bowl here and cut a chorizo. And also any kind of chorizo brand you like. I'm using beef chorizo. There's got pork, they got chicken now, all kinds of different types. You need soy chorizo. So if you guys are vegan out there, just substitute with Impossible meat or Beyond Meat, 1 pound of it, and also get your soy chorizo and then mix it all up. And then there we go. You have your chorizo smash burger, vegan style, if you guys are into that. So we're gonna use roughly a 1/4 cup of chorizo into 1 pound of ground beef. So of course, if you have more ground beef, you're making for a party or whatnot, just double it for that. So we're gonna mix this bad boy up all the way through. Alright, so get your scale. I put a plate here so I don't get the scale itself dirty. So we're gonna measure these bad boys into 5 ounces of ground ball, like so. You can do 6, it all depends what kind of burgers you want. If you want to do really kind of pack them in like this, what it does, it really compacts the ball of the meat, and then like so. So I got the little Tupperware right here. I'm gonna put these bad boys in the fridge for a little bit, at least probably like 20 to 30 minutes, or until you guys is ready. This is the point you guys could freeze them, or even just play them in the fridge till you guys are ready. You can strike up the barbecuer, mold the burgers like that, or just heat up a nice can of cider and smash them all up. But before that, let's start with some caramelized onions. All right, so we're gonna do nice caramelized onions for the burger. Just jazz it up. So we're gonna use red onion instead of like a yellow or a white, but if you guys prefer yellow and white, go ahead, be my guest. So same process, just a different little profile flavors. I just like the red onions. I like the flavor of it. It's sweet but yet bold flavors of an onion. So this is gonna be kind of like a medium dice or so of onion, like so. Some little olive oil to the mix, and then add your onion. We're gonna start this kind of slow. You want to hear a slight sizzle, but not too heavily sizzle. But what I want to do though is add a pinch of salt and salt. I'm using kosher, kind of like my first salt. Kind of shake the pan, kind of get it nice and even. Like so, and then let these bad boys go to nice and caramelized. It takes a few minutes, but alright, so I kind of add a little bit of water to deglaze the pan once in a while so it doesn't burn. And right here at this point, I'm going to start adding, this is a kind of sprinkle of brown sugar, not too much, it's probably like a teaspoon or so, not even. Start to help with the caramelization, but also give this nice molasses flavor to it. It's going to be very good. Again, you guys, just keep an eye on it. If it seems like it's starting to get a little too dark, lower the heat. Take your time with it. As I'm saying, just deglazing it with water once in a while so the bottom of the pan doesn't burn. But then once in a while, keep stirring. At this point though, I kind of want to add a little more flavor to it. So I am going to add a dash of little pepper. Just a little bit. Just to get that little spice, little peppery taste, give a little bite to it, balance out the sweetness I just added to it. And then like so. This is almost done. You can really see how it's starting to change color, but it's not quite there just yet. So we got a few more minutes. Okay guys, so we're gonna start making our sauce. We're almost done with building this delicious burger. So this is gonna be Mexican crema. So basically Mexican sour cream. Very delicious. What I like about it too is the looseness of it. So that's gonna be about 1 cup of that. About 1/4 of a cup of mayo. Just give that little, I missed the jar. Just give that little, like so. And then a little ketchup action here. So gonna be another 1/4 cup of ketchup. Like so. It's gonna give that tomatoey base to it. Next up, sriracha. Give that a little kick. A couple tablespoons of that. Like so. Next up, couple tablespoons of relish. Like that. Of course, our caramelized onions that we made. It's going to be kind of roughly around 2 tablespoons or so. Give it a little whisk. Then my friends, we're going to start off with a little salt to taste, of course. Same thing with pepper. And then onion powder, granulated, of course. A couple of teaspoons or so. Same thing, same measurement of the garlic. I might go a little heavier. And then we'll whisk this up. Alright my friends, so for a smashburger I'm going to do a light coating of spray. I'm using avocado oil. And then kind of smear that oil around. And you want this wicked hot. Wait to test that. Throw a little water and you can see that little poppy noise right there. Perfect. So get your burger right in the middle. Get something flat and smash the hell out of it. Friends, time to flip these bad boys up. Nice caramelization. Pepper jack cheese. Alright my friends, so let's build these burgers, right? So we'll get our lightly toasted bun, our delicious hot burger, caramelized onions right on top, like so. Put some delicious avocado. And then, of course, our delicious special sauce here. We're on top of the top bun. It's gonna be a messy burger, but it's okay. And there we go. Our chorizo smash burger.